Hello, and welcome to our video on the flow of heat. We've all experienced the effects of heat, how it can make us feel warm, cook our food, and even melt ice. In this presentation, we'll explore the fundamental principle that heat always flows from warmer objects to cooler objects until they reach the same temperature. Heat is a form of energy that is associated with the movement of atoms and molecules. Heat can be transferred in three major ways. By conduction. This is the transfer of heat through direct contact between objects. For example, if you hold a hot cup of coffee, heat is transferred from the cup to your hand through conduction. Convection. This is the transfer of heat through the movement of fluids such as liquids and gases. For example, when you boil water, heat is transferred from the bottom of the pot to the top by convection currents. Radiation. This is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves such as infrared radiation. For example, when you feel the warmth of the sun's rays, you feel those through radiation. Heat always flows from warmer objects to cooler objects until they reach the same temperature. This is known as the second law of thermodynamics. For example, if you place a cold drink on a warm table, heat will flow from the table and air to the drink until they reach the same temperature. Since the air and table are at a higher temperature than the cold drink, the higher temperature particles have greater motion than the colder drink particles. The hotter particles' motion is transferred to the colder particles until all the particles have similar motion and energies. At this point, the temperature of the drink, table, and air have all equalized. The flow of heat is a fundamental principle that affects many aspects of our lives. For example, it's how our bodies maintain a constant temperature, how engines work, and how weather patterns are formed. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the flow of heat. Thank you for watching.